Repair of the complete denture is done when the complete denture fractures because of an accidental fall of the denture from the hands of the patient or any other cause. So this fracture may be of two types. The fracture can involve the denture based resin, or the fracture can involve just the tooth, or it can be a combination of both of the above. So today we will be seeing how to repair a complete denture that is broken with involvement of the denture based resin. So you can see that I have a broken lower complete denture in my hand here. So first we have to see whether the parts are being approximated. You can see that the parts can be approximated. This repair can be done only if the parts can be easily approximated like this. So we can use a cyanoacrylate and apply it to stabilize the denture first. So you can see how the denture has been stabilized using cyanoacrylate. So next, before pouring the cast in the intaglio surface, we can stabilize the denture by attaching some wooden sticks like this. So one to the anterior teeth and another one in the posterior teeth region. This is to support the denture which has been secured using cyanoacrylate during pouring of the denture because of the weight of the stone cast that is going to be poured. So we can use sticky wax and melt it, place it in the anterior teeth region. The anterior region has been stabilized. Same way we have to stabilize the posterior region also. Now the denture has been stabilized and it is ready for the cast to be poured. So before pouring the cast, the intaglio surface of the denture has to be lubricated using Vaseline, and then the denture can be poured. So here we have the cast which has been poured, and you can see that the stabilized denture is sitting well on the cast. The cast is set and it has been trimmed. So next step is to locate the area to place the grooves. So the groove should be placed along the line of fracture. The fracture has happened here. There should be a vertical groove as well as horizontal grooves which are in dovetail shape so as to retain the new resin which is going to be added. So this dovetail will create an undercut which will ensure that the new material is being retained. Same way in the lingual area also. Make a dovetail horizontally. Now using a straight fissure burr, the lingual and the labial area can be trimmed in this shape.